accidentally left $1 in my hand.
Keep it.
Why?
I think you know why.
I don't. Why are you winking at me? Why did you give me $1? My brain hurts.
Are you boys all right?
Will you be my mommy? No, I'm not going in there. There's no steps. There's no handrail. There's no souvenir shop. I'm staying out here. Jimmy, somebody wrote on the walls, they're gonna get in trouble. For once and probably the only time in my life, I'm a winner. See how new it is?
According to my calculations, we'll continue to age until we turn to dust at 6:03 this evening.
But I'm allergic to dust.
Carl, what are you eating?
Just some prune whip from your lab.
Carl, there wasn't any prune whip. That's my experimental truth-telling serum.
Oh, Jimmy, that's ridiculous. I stole Jimmy's toast the other day. Sometimes I dream about girls.
Maybe we better go.